Guys, welcome back to our channel. So today we get computer science paper is being conducted. So we are analyzing the engineering mathematics question. So we came up a question related to the linear algebra. So we have to find out the product of the eigenvalue. Then we have to give a determinant 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So for this we have to check that is there is any relationship between row 1, row 2, and row 3. So we can see that if we add this row 1 and row 3 is equal to 2 times of row 2, means we have to say that row 1 plus row 3 is equal to 2 at 2. So row 1 plus row 3 plus 7 plus 1 8 is equal to 2 at 2, means 8 we get. So 8 plus 2 10 is equal to 2 times of r 2 10. So we get, so this relationship hold. So one more thing, so the product of, so product of the eigenvalue is equal to, we also know that the product of eigenvalue, so the product of eigenvalue is equal to the determinant of the matrices. We all know that the determinants of matrices, if any relationship is present, then we can say the determinant of the matrices is equal to 0. So the product of the eigenvalue is equal to 0. So we can solve this way, that the product of the eigenvalue, or else we can solve this another one relationship is present, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. So if we clearly observe and if we apply that row 2 is equal to row 2 minus row 1, and row 3 is equal to row 3 is equal to row 3 minus row 1, so we get that if we apply this in here, so row 2, so row 1 is simply 1 to 3, row 2 is equal to row 2 minus row 1. 4 minus 1 is 3, 5 minus 2 is equal to 3, 6 minus 3 is equal to 3, and row 3 minus row 1, 7 minus 1 is equal to 6, 8 minus 2 is equal to 6, 9 minus 3 is equal to 6. So this 2, if we common out the 2 over here, so we get 1 2 3 3 3 3 3 3 3, and we can get 2 over here. So this row 2 and row 3 is identical. So these two are identical. So if the two rows are identical, then we can easily say that the determinant of these matrices is equal to 0. So the product of the eigenvalue is equal to product of the eigenvalue is equal to 0. So the answer of the given question is 0. So the second questions we came upon, this is a probability question, that a bag contains 10 red balls. So one bag contains 10 red balls and 15 black balls. So we have to draw the bag. So this is the bag. Here is a 10 red ball and 15 black balls. So here is a total number of ball is 25 balls is present. So one ball is taken off the bag is red. So we have to taken out the one ball, and the ball is, we have to take that red ball. So the new bag contains 9 red ball and 15 black ball, because we have to taken out the one red ball, so the number of red ball is being reduces. So we have to taken out 9 red balls and 15 black ball. So the probability of next ball will be black. So the next ball we have to take in this bag is black. So we have to find out the probability. So the probability is equal to, we have to know that the requirement upon total. So total, how much number of ball, 9 plus 15, so number of balls. So the requirement is the ball is being black, so the number of black ball is 15. So 15 upon 24, this is divided by 3, so 5 upon 8. So answer of the given question is 5 upon 8. The third question related to the probability, that the P of A is equal to 0.3, P of B is equal to 0.5, then P of A intersection B is 0.1. Then we have to choose the the given option. This is a MSQ question, so we have to check one by one each option. So for the independent event, so we know that if the event is independent, so we can say that P of A intersection B is equal to P of A into P of B. So here P of A is equal to 0.3 into the P of B is equal to 0.5 is equal to, we can say that 0.15, but this is not is equal to P of A intersection B. P of A intersection B is equal to 0.1. So this is not a independent event. So not independent event. So this is not the independent event. So option A is wrong. So if we choose the if we check that the option C first, then we can go the option B. So option C says that P of A union B. So we can easily say that A union B is equal to P of A plus P of B plus P of A minus P of A intersection B. So all the data is given. P of A is equal to 0.3, P of B is equal to 0.5 minus intersection B is 0.1. So 0.8 minus 0.1 is equal to 0.7. So P of A intersection B is equal to 0.7. The option C is being correct. So the option C is being correct. So we can go the option B. So P of A bar intersection B bar. So if we say P of A bar intersection B bar, means we have to say that 1 minus P of A union B. So we are not taking A or not taking B. So we are then this intersection. So we are taking 1 minus P of A union B. So P of A union B, we can easily say that 0.7. So this A bar P of A bar intersection P of B bar is equal to 0.3. So in the option given 0.4, the option B is also being cancelled out. So in the option D, so P of A intersection B bar means we have to take not taken the B portion. So we have to easily solve out using the Venn diagram. So this is A and this is B, and this is upon P of AB. This is P of AB. So we are not taking the B portion. So we have to take in out it's only this shaded portion, this shaded portion. So we can say that P of A minus P of A intersection B. So P of A how much? 0.3 we have to given. P of A intersection B is 0.1. So we have to say 0.2. So the option D is being correct. So correct answer of this question is C and D. So the next question is related to the function. So f is a differential function. So f is a maximum of x and x cube. Then we have to find out the number of non-differentiable point in fx. So we have to give the x and x cube. So we can easily figure out by the graph. So if we draw the graph, this is x and this is fx. So if we say that if x is equal to x, so this is a straight line of graph. So y is equal to x, and y is equal to, if we take an x cube, this is a this type of graph we have to take taken from y is equal to x cube. So for that we have to take that how many point these two graph is being intersect with each other. So we can easily cancel out. So x and x cube, so x is equal to x cube, so x minus x cube is equal to 0, or we have to 1 minus x square is equal to 0. So from here we have to find out that x value is minus 1, 0 and 1. So we have to find that the number of time x the two graphics intersect with each other. So this is the minus one, this is the minus 1 point we have to cross, minus 1, 0, and this is the plus 1 coordinate, but the function is given as maximum of these two. So f of x is equal to maximum of x comma x cube. So for that, so if we check that if we take that the x value is equal to 1 by 2, then this is the positive side. So if So this is x is equal to half. So if we put both, so it's equal to half. This is equal to 1 by 8. So x is being getter. So for this, x will be getter. So from this will be taken. And if we put the values as 2, then we can also say this is 2, this is 8. So x cube is being getter. So from there we have to take, from here we have to take x, from here we have to take x cube. So similar way, from the negative portion we have to take the opposite, because if we take x is equal to minus half, so this is minus half and minus 1 by 8. So minus 1 by 8 is greater, so we have to take in x cube. So from negative side we have to take in this and this. So from, if we put x is equal to minus 2, then also we can get minus 2 minus 8. So minus 8 is being a minus 2 is being get approx the minus 8, so we can get x. So from there we can get, there is a from the number of non-differentiable points. So number of non-differentiable point is equal to number of sharp edge present in the graph. So from here we have to find that this is a sharp edge point, and this one also a sharp edge point, and this one is a sharp edge point. So number of sharp edge point is 3. So the number of non differentiable point is equal to 3. So the answer of the given question is 3. Thanks for watching. If you need this type of content, please like, share, subscribe to our channel. Bye.